rain falls down, how the rain falls. The rain falls down, the rain falls. The rain falls down, how the rain falls. The rain falls down on me. Well, I gotta get up, but I can't get my head out of bed, 'cause I went to bed late. So I drag myself out and I wonder about how I let myself get in this state. And my coffee's run out and the milk has gone off and the last piece of bread has gone stale. And I hear myself curse when the heating won't work, 'cause I didn't pay the bill right away. Cold air is chilling me and my head is killing me, and I've only got myself to blame. I swear that in future I'll be more together. I see my computer, so I go and check my mail. Well, it takes me a while, but eventually I get online, and when I finally do, I open up my messages, the second one's from you. Then the rain falls, the rain falls down, the rain falls, the rain falls down, the rain falls, the rain falls down, how the rain falls. Rain falls down on me. So you're breaking it off, and you didn't think it could be said to me straight to my face. So those rumors are true, you've got somebody new, you've been taking her out of my place, and now you want rid of me. You've gotta be kidding me. Don't just think I want rid of you. I know you cannot be my friend. My friends, they'd come through when the rain falls. The rain falls down, how the rain falls. The rain falls down, the rain falls. The rain falls down, how the rain falls. The rain falls down on me. Click on your mail and I drag it away to the trash, and I gather my strength. I delete your address all along with the rest of the messages you ever sent, 'cause I will find someone new, someone who loved me too, cherish me to have and to hold, and you will be the one we'll see out there in the cold.